Welcome to my channel Z Tech viewers. In this video I am going to show you how to stop Windows 10 automatically downloading and installing updates. Let's start. Simply you have to click on the start button and type here control panel. After that you have to open it, and here it is. You have to change view by category to large icon by simply click on category and click on large icon. Then you have to click on administrative tools. So after opening administrating tools, you have to go to services by double clicking on it. After that you have to scroll down by using mouse or a sidebar, and here we have to find window updates. So after you can see we have to find window updates, and here it is, window updates. After that you have to double click on it, and after it open the screen you have to stop it firstly. So click on the stop for changing the status type. After that you can change the status type to the disabled, and then again we have to click on the start button. After that you can see we have to click on apply and then OK. Here you can see we have stop window updates and it is disabled. If you want to update automatically, simply stop. Again change the status types automatically and press apply and press OK. Simply, this is how you can change your automatically download or installing window updates option. So if you like my video, please subscribe. If you have any problem, comment below. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel Z Tech.